Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered, what if our universe was just a little bit different? What if the fundamental forces that govern our reality were tweaked, shifted, or even removed entirely? Today we're not just looking at the stars, we're looking at our own planet, our own existence, through the lens of what if. We're diving deep into 10 mind-blowing scenarios, each exploring a fundamental change to our world. These aren't just thought experiments, though. They're opportunities to understand the delicate balance of physics, biology, and even sociology that makes our world what it is. Get ready to engage those brain cells, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through hypothetical scenarios that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about our pale blue dot. Imagine stepping outside and feeling lighter. Not just a little lighter, but like a weight has been lifted, literally. That's what it would be like if Earth's gravity was suddenly halved. We could jump higher, buildings could be taller, and those slam dunks you've always dreamed of, effortless. But before you grab your moon boots, consider this. Our bodies, our buildings, even our atmosphere are all calibrated for Earth's gravity. A sudden change could wreak havoc on our bones, our infrastructure, and even our planet's ability to hold on to its atmosphere. What if we unlocked the secret to aquatic life and could breathe underwater? Imagine the possibilities. Cities could sprawl beneath the waves, we'd unlock the mysteries of the deep, and who knows, maybe we'd finally discover the truth about mermaids. But hold your seahorses for a moment. Our bodies, from our lungs to our eyes, are designed for a terrestrial life. Plus, imagine the geopolitical nightmare as nations scramble to claim territory on the ocean floor. Breathing underwater sounds cool, but the reality might be a lot more complicated. Picture this. All the ice on Earth, from the towering glaciers to the polar ice caps, melts in a single day. It sounds like a disaster movie, but the consequences are far more real than fiction. Coastal cities would vanish beneath the waves, displacing billions. But the chaos wouldn't stop there. The influx of fresh water into our oceans would disrupt ocean currents, throwing our climate into disarray. The very map of our planet would be redrawn. Chapter 4, Earth takes a time out, a day without rotation. The Earth spins, a cosmic ballet we barely notice. But what if it stopped, just for a day? First, we'd feel it, literally. The momentum would send tsunamis racing across continents, and the winds would rage at unimaginable speeds. And then there's the day-night cycle. With one side bathed in perpetual sunlight and the other in darkness, our carefully calibrated ecosystems would be thrown into chaos. A day without rotation would be a stark reminder of how much we depend on Earth's cosmic dance. Chapter 5, Dr. Dolittle's dream talking to animals. Imagine a world where we could finally understand what our furry, feathered, and scaled friends are thinking. What if we could have a chat with our pets, negotiate with a pride of lions, or ask a dolphin about the mysteries of the deep? But with understanding comes responsibility. Would knowing their thoughts change our relationship with animals? Would we still eat them, keep them as pets, or use them for work? The ability to communicate with animals could be a gift, but also a profound ethical dilemma. Chapter 6. Magnetic mayhem, losing our shield. Earth's magnetic field is our invisible guardian, deflecting harmful radiation from the sun. But what if this shield vanished? The consequences would be dire. Auroras would dance across the globe, but we'd also be exposed to the sun's full fury. Navigation would be thrown into chaos, with compasses spinning uselessly, and the impact on technology devastating. Our power grids, satellites, and even our smartphones rely on that magnetic field. A world without it would be a very different place. Chapter 7, One World, One Government. Imagine a world without borders, without wars, without national anthems at the Olympics. A world united under a single government. On the surface, it sounds utopian. No more conflict, shared resources, a singular focus on global challenges, but at what cost? Cultural diversity could be threatened, individual liberties might be curtailed, and who would choose this single power? A unified government presents a fascinating paradox, a solution to many problems, but potentially creating a whole new set of its own. The 500-year lifespan fountain of youth, or recipe for disaster. What if we could slow down aging, extending our lifespans to 500 years? Think of the knowledge, the experiences, the multiple careers. But would everyone have access to this longevity? Or would it create an even wider gap between the haves and have-nots? And what about overpopulation? Our planet is already feeling the strain of our current population. A 500-year lifespan might sound tempting, but it would require a complete societal and ecological overhaul. Chapter 9. Asteroid Apocalypse Cosmic Bullseye. It's the ultimate what-if scenario. A giant asteroid on a collision course with Earth. The impact would be catastrophic tsunamis, earthquakes, firestorms that would engulf the planet. But beyond the immediate devastation lies a chilling question. What happens next? Could humanity survive a planetary-level extinction event? Would we be forced to start over, rebuilding from the ashes? An asteroid impact is a sobering reminder of our place in the cosmic pecking order. The silent death, a world without plants. They seem so passive, so unimportant, but what if overnight they vanished? The consequences would be immediate and dire. Our oxygen supply would dwindle, ecosystems would collapse, and the food chain, it would crumble, leaving a barren wasteland in its wake. Without plants, the vibrant tapestry of life on Earth would unravel, a stark reminder that even the smallest organisms play a vital role in the grand scheme of things. Outro. What if... Keep wondering. These scenarios may seem far-fetched, but they remind us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The laws of physics, the intricate web of ecosystems, the complex interplay of human societies, they all contribute to the world we know. But that doesn't mean we should stop asking, what if? In fact, it's our capacity for curiosity, for imagining the impossible, that drives us to understand our universe and our place within it. What other what-if questions do you have? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of our world and beyond.